Nasdaq 100 pushed higher this week after comments from Fed official Waller backing a 25 basis point rate hike in the next Fed meeting boosted stocks late into the session last Friday. That crucially saw price close the week above 11,480, which saw price continue higher this week. Monday saw price hit the 200-day simple moving average, whilst Tuesday saw price hit the 200-day exponential moving average, following Microsoft earnings, which saw an initial knee-jerk reaction higher, only to come off sharply, with Microsoft providing weak forward guidance. That didn't warrant the sharp move higher, which is why the stock reversed lower. Going back to the Nasdaq 100, you can see price came off sharply off the 200-day exponential moving average, falling below the 11,680 support level briefly before rebounding. This was a mirror of what happened to Microsoft, because Microsoft has a high weighting in the Nasdaq 100, so naturally any big movement in Microsoft will impact the index. I covered Microsoft in my last note, highlighting how earnings could propel the stock to backtest the upper end of the channel, which did happen this week. And you can see price came off after hitting the upper end of that channel. If you'd like to receive my weekly note, I've put the link to the subscribe button in the description box below. Then we had Tesla earnings, which came in better than expected, with record revenue posted by the EV maker. This helped keep price in and around the 200-day, with price closing above the 200-day EMA on Thursday. This hasn't happened since August last year, which is a positive sign for bulls. The key for the Nasdaq 100 now will be breaking out of this downtrend shown on the weekly chart, which is situated around 12,075 to 90. Looking at the Tesla chart, we can see price here has been floating higher ever since the low of 101.23 on the 6th of Jan. Tesla itself looks like to have broken out this mini downtrend from August last year, but it'll need to hold the trend line around 144.50 as price is likely to come back to retest former resistance as support. If price doesn't hold, it would represent a bull trap. Additionally, price remains below the 200-week moving average around 167, so there's still some work to do for bulls before buyers come in. Back to the Nasdaq 100 daily chart, upside resistance is clear. 12,075 to 90 is the major resistance level. A break above this is required for further upside, else the upside potential is capped. On the downside, the 200-day moving averages will act as firm support, the EMA at 11,951 and the SMA at 11,809. If you'd like to know more about the difference between the SMA and the EMA moving averages, check out my video in the description box below. Next week, the main event is the Fed, with 25 basis point rate hike pretty much priced in. We also have more tech earnings from Apple, Amazon and Alphabet on Thursday, so that'll be the driver for next week. With that said, thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. And I'll see you at the next one.